Hey, I'd just quickly like to give a shout out to Gecko Jimmy. You can find him in my sub box. Click onto his name. See, look, Gecko Jimmy 1. And yeah, go check him out. He's got some decent videos of like constant setup and care videos and just stuff to do reptiles really. So yeah, go check him out. Hello YouTube. So I did just make a video about an hour ago. The unboxing and the update video, and I did say in that I'd wait till the weekend to sort out Turk's cage, but decided to today. Basically, that's not finished. That's just something I like to do, where I just put everything in there, see how it's all going to fit, just make sure it all fits. I had trouble with putting that in there, so I thought if I just put it behind it, still got some movement, and so yeah, I think it's going to fit, but I'm really worried about this. I think Turk's going to grow too big and that's not going to be able to be in there, but he really does like to climb, so that's a bummer, but oh well. So yeah, let me just take everything out and then sort it all out. I need to put all like the aspen in there and stuff. This ain't going to be hard doing it one-handed. So yeah. So this video is not really going to be about the putting that thing in. This would be like sort of like showing you how you can set up a corn snake cage, like the bare essentials that you're going to need. So firstly, you're going to need a light. I think that's 100 watt. I'm not too sure. Don't quote me on that. I'm not too sure what it is, but it works. So find out if you want to know. But yeah. So yeah, aspen, I use this stuff, well I don't all the time, but by now I am, so, but there's hardly any left. So yeah, basically you're going to want to, wait before I say anything, I'll go get the rest quick. My room's a tip, so I've just been cleaning, loads of paper towels, one of these. Wow, my room's really messy, I need cleaning. Whew. Okay, let me just put my camera down quick, sorry. Okay, put some more aspen in. Oh. So I'm doing this one-handed. Not very good camera either, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm concentrating on it. No, it's still probably not a lot. I mean, aspen's really dusty, so it does get in like your lungs, so I don't like it. But yeah, like previous videos, my corn snake loves to borrow, so yeah, he likes to borrow all my stuff, you know. Borrow some of my games I play on PS3 and that. No, like borrows and like doing this. So I put a lot of aspen, so you can like go under it and make tunnels. And but look, that's not thick enough. It's not even an inch. So I have to put loads on. Probably the rest of this will have to go. Sweet. So yeah, I'm just trying to level it all out on that. Oh, Whoa, it's dusty. I mean, there's not a lot of asp in there, but you know, it'll do. This does get your room so messy. OCD kicking in. So yeah, that is that. Now I'm going to have to put everything in. I just got to remember how I did it. I did think it was like, that was like that. So yeah, you're going to need a water bowl. Depending on the size of the snake, will be depending on how big you want your water bowl. My snake doesn't really use it that much, doesn't like go in it, but he drinks out of it, so yeah. Make sure you have one of them. Right. I mean, you don't have to have something for a corn snake to like climb on, but my corn snake is always climbing, so I do. I mean, this experiment, if you buy one and the corn snake doesn't use it, then obviously don't keep it in there. But my battery's going low, so I have to hurry up. So yeah, put that wedge out in there somehow, like that. Is that wedged in? That looks like it's wedged in. That looks like it's not going anywhere because you've got this in the way, and you've got that in the way, so it doesn't move. There you go to put one of these in. So yeah, anyway, that is a sphagnum moss cave, snake cave sort of thing. It just helps with shedding. When the snake sheds, it just goes in there and gets moisture off it because you put sphagnum moss in there. So yeah, do that. So yeah, that's going to be the cool end side. Wow, how's that going to work? Like this, I believe. Like that. Shit, my battery is going. So yeah, just going to rush this quick. Water, sphagnum, moss hide, climbing apparatus thing, warm side hide, right underneath the heat, so when he eats his food, he'll go in there and then digest. That's the cool side hide. Gonna get some plants quick, just to make it look cool. Don't actually need this in there, but he's got to have a cool cage. It's Turk, god damn it. Just, you know, throw it on. I'll make it neat in a minute, but I'm just showing you what it's going to look like. I'll probably take a picture or something and I'll show you. Probably won't. Right, so that gap over there is empty, so whoosh, throw that in there. Just make it look cool. You know, he'll do something with that. He'll like go in there and muck it around. Oh my god, sorry, dusty. Glass, I'm going to have to put that in there. Right, I'm going to have to put the camera down real quick and put it in there. Which one first? This one. Oh shit. Wait, I'm going to end this video quick and I'll continue it in a minute. I've got to hoover up all that crap in there so the glass can slide properly. Okay. See you in a bit. Hey, back, and I put the glass in, as you can see. I've just sorted out that as well. I hooked that up there, hopefully it doesn't like melt, but it shouldn't. But man, look how clean it looks. Like, when I show you my unboxing video, I don't think you'll probably see the difference, but it looks a lot cleaner than what it did before. I got a bit of water in there quick. My battery's still low. I didn't like, literally, like, I ended this video, like the last video, about 2 minutes ago. Oh god, this is going to go wrong. Oh, it's done. Oh! I kicked my snake in the oh god, I'm such an idiot! Put the glass upside down. I'll change that in a minute. I'll show you this. But yeah, I put the glass upside down. I'm such a fool. Oh. Do 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 do. Yes, it's boring. It's making me need to go for a piss. That sounds fun. So yeah, I put quite a lot in. There's a 2 litre bottle and it's just over half, so I put like a litre in, I guess. Put a little in that, because knowing me, I will knock it over. Alright, water check. Damn it, Spagman. I've just got to put that in there. Wrong drawer. Correct drawer. God damn it, phone, stop saying I've got low battery. Lid off. Back with the moss. Put quite a lot in there for him. Like, you saw how big it was, so you can get away with putting quite a bit in there. Need a burp. So yeah, so this is like the bare essentials for a corn snake, I guess. You're gonna need a vivarium, you're gonna need one of them, you're gonna need water bowl, hide on the warm side, hide on the cool side, heat, temperature gauge. We've got that little thing up there that tells the temperature because I've got a thermostat down there. So yeah, that's that. Let me just, is that on? Is it on? Is it on? Yes, it is. Okay, now to put the snake in there. I kept in this like funarium. I can't even say it. Funnel. Oh, blah blah blah. Don't know how to say it. But I feed him in this, so he might be like, "Oh, food," and then try to go for me. But he's a good boy, he shouldn't. But yeah, I do have to. How am I gonna do this? Try to pick him up one-handed earlier. I'm gonna have to like look, like do some crazy ninja sort of stuff. There you go. That's what I call good pick. So yeah, go in your extreme home makeover new vivarium. See what I did there. Go explore. He's like, what the fuck did you do here? I like it. Yeah, can get a drink. Oh, is he gonna drink? Is he gonna drink? Is he gonna drink? Drink. Nope. Nope, he's not. Yeah, I'll just close this and then. No, move your head. Move it. Yeah, the glass is the wrong way around. It's quite annoying. So yeah, let's just watch him explore. So yeah, guys, check out my channel. Subscribe. It's free. Why not? So yeah, this I mean, if you like this video, go subscribe. But if you don't, just don't do anything, I guess. Look, he's gonna go. Hopefully, he's gonna go in there. Man, Aspen's so dusty. You can use other like substrates, but Aspen works best for me, but it sort of kills me as well. Can't breathe. So yeah, if you like this video and you want me to do another one, I could do one of JD, and when I get my bearded dragon, I'll do one with him. And I know I've been saying I've been getting like a bearded dragon for ages, but I did say I'll get it this month, but tight on money, so probably get it next month or sometime in the summer. I'll get it. And yeah, so I built my cage for it, so I have to do a video showing you guys that, and I'll show you when I get him. I'll do an unboxing video of me getting it, and then yeah, Bob's your uncle. So yeah, guys, cheers for watching, and toodle.